Hi, my name is Aislinn with Patent 5 Distillery, and today we're making the Army and Navy cocktail. An Army and Navy is a classic cocktail, and it uses Navy strength gin, orgeat syrup, and lemon. It's sweet and light. I think that it's good to make as like a starting drink. I wouldn't recommend drinking it all night because it does go down pretty easy, but definitely on a night of big celebration, a wedding, a birthday, something like that. So it's 1 ounce of our Navy strength gin, which is similar to a London dry gin, except it's double the citrus, double the juniper, and it's 57.1%. So the Army Navy is 2 ounces of Navy strength gin, half an ounce of orgeat syrup, which is almond syrup, and then half an ounce of lemon. And then it's shaken in a glass. Poured into a coupe and served with a lemon twist. There you have it, the Army and Navy.
Hi, if you enjoyed these cocktails, feel free to check us out at patent5.ca. You can find the spirits and the ingredients for those cocktails online, or if you happen to be in the neighborhood in the Exchange District in Winnipeg, we're at 108 Alexander Avenue.